cats that don't know, these are carburetors off of a Suzuki 600. And so it was leaking. One of them was leaking real bad. Here, this carburetor here. Right here. This one that was leaking. I need to find out. See if I can find out why it's leaking. Maybe somebody went in it and, you know. Now I gotta go in it and repair what they messed up. So that's what I'm doing here, hopefully. Gosh. Need something better than this. So I'm gonna strip them out. What? Now? Wait a minute. I'm gonna go straight over there. Put it in my truck. They was on there like this, right?
Yeah, that's the front. That's the back.
But I mean, it was just. So that's the right one I'm picking it for.
No.
See?
Yeah.
Number 2 car. Well, number 3 car.
That's inside the carburetor. This is what it's looking like, fellas. It's looking bad. Looking like water got in them or somebody was trying to hit some before. Yeah, this is the one that was leaking right here. So it wasn't underneath the screw. I'm open all 4 of them. And then I'll just, I'll try to clean it up and everything. I'm going to put them in there. Alright, y'all know what to do. When y'all back when I get some progress, man.
Alright. Yeah, we back. Carburetor's looking better. I'm gonna pull some of this other stuff out the gravy here. Ooh, that's hot. And start wiping it down so we can put it back together. So I'm doing now, I'm trying to get it halfway clean, you know. I think we are gonna throw a little sea foam in there too, though, you know. Just help clean it out some. Because I didn't do a perfect job here from the looks of it. I did a good job, but not perfect. Tell you one thing, this stuff is hot. Let it cook for a little while. And she good and hot. Hopefully this also our leak. What the leak was whoever the guys was who had it before we got our hands on it. They'd broken off 2 screws in it, and we drilled them out. You know, so the floats wasn't even catching. So with the floats not being able to catch, there was gas was just running straight through. So they probably, matter of fact, they probably flooded the motor too. you know. But yeah, boys and girls, this is the process you got to go through on an old bike when you're trying to bring it back or restore it, you know. Or even if you're trying to flip it. You know, more people want it to run or have something, you know, unless you got like a CB 950. You got a CB 950, people ain't gonna care if it run or not. They just gonna get that from you. But that's a CB. Yep. Yeah, some of these gonna take a little bit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one of them together, let y'all see, and then I'm gonna probably cut the camera off, put all the rest of everything together, then bring y'all back after that. You know, putting one together, you might as well. When you put one together, you can put four together. It's the same process on all of them. Capiche? Capiche. Alrighty, boys and girls, let's get started. Class in session. We're gonna do number one card. And what I'm doing, I'm just drying everything out, wiping everything down. Something else I like to do when we're doing them, when we put gas in them, I like to open this up and let a little gas out the end here. As just for me, I just do it that way, you know. Different people got their different ways of doing things. Okay. Let me get some pieces together. Make sure that you got airflow through them too. These are perfect cleaning them carburetors, the jets and everything. That's small. Look at that. Every time I get a piece, I always hold it up and check it at the light also. To make sure I see some, you know, air, light, well not air, light coming through it. Because if things clog, you know, it ain't gonna make a difference. You ain't gonna be able to use it if it's clogged.
I may not have a flat.
One second, I don't have a flat screwdriver. I didn't have a flat screwdriver, y'all. Ain't that something? And you ain't gotta go super tight on these things now. You see the brass going into aluminum. I think it's this one next. And be careful because you can cross thread it. And that's what you don't want. Alright. Got those in. Got a needle here that we finna wipe off. Also make sure you need to still have that spring on it, the spring clip. Put it on here. Just trying to clip it on here. Like so. Turn the carbs up. Pop it in. Get the pin, put that back. And sit down on there. And then you have your screw. It's going to hold everything down. And that's basically it, boys and girls. Then all you're going to do is just check it. And that's what you want right there. Because when it's like that, it's getting gas. When the gas hit it and it goes up, that's what stops the gas. It stops it from flooding. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of them together. And I'll bring you back a little bit later when we're ready to play a little bit.